the government also has injected in an additional 50 billion shillings to do now the regeneration of Nairobi rivers. This involves widening the river, concreting and protecting the banks, and then installing double sewer lines on both sides of the banks, so that now we can be connecting our sewer to that. This project has a component of communication. It also has a project, the objective of reducing pollution of rivers in Nairobi. And so by intercepting the sewer and putting them into the right place, we are contributing to the cleaning of the rivers of Nairobi. We had the opportunity to launch the roadshow to create awareness to Nairobians on the implementation of the NARSIP 2 project. This is a Nairobi Basin Restoration, Sanitation and Sewerage project that is funded by the Africa Development Bank. Its main objective is to increase sanitation coverage for Nairobians, targeting mainly the informal settlements. These are the towns or the areas that came after as Nairobi expanded, and the expansion has been faster than the rate of expanding the sewerage in Nairobi. So this project was coming to connect those Nairobians to the sewerage, and it is targeting to treat over 60,000 cubic meters of wastewater per day. So the project at the moment as we are talking, it's around above 90%, and we hope to complete it by the end of this year.
We have been contacting the Nairobi Water guys, and they've been cooperating with us to come and unblock the sewer bus and the blocked sewer lines. So, some of the areas you find that the water are not clean, are not treated. So what we have been doing, we have been sensitizing the community members and the water vendors, and we have been distributing the aqua types and pur within the community members. Then we have been enhancing the hygiene promotion within the community members.
Normally we have the challenges when there is rain, because their work is to work on Nairobi River and drainages. So once they open those drainages, the place will remain clean.